Hi, it's Paul here from Atkins Technicolor. We've just released some new products and I'm going to show you how to order them in our Atkins online ordering software. To find out more about the new products, go to our website www.atkins.com.au. In the search area here on the right hand side of the website you can enter new products and it'll show you this blog post called New Products in the Front Shop. We've got them on display currently, but we also have a brochure online for you to read about them. If you click on there, it'll bring up the brochure. You can scroll down, read through all the products, and you can see the various ones here now. So I'm going to show you how to order those from our Atkins online software. Go back to our website. The top navigation bar in the center, there is an Atkins online ordering tab. Drop down to the first line, Atkins Prints Online, and this is the instructions on how to download, install, and run our software. Now, if you've already got the software installed and running, every time you launch it, and I'm just going to hop over to it now, you'll get this, and every time you launch it and there are new products installed in the software will contact our server and update your version of the software with the latest products. And the indicator that that's happened is this tip of the day comes up indicating it's been updated. Now, if for some reason your software hasn't updated or we ask you to clear the cache, the easy way to do that, you go down to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, there's a little question mark, click on this, go up to clear caches and hit clear both caches. That's the bottom option. Now I'm not going to do that now, but what it does is it shuts the program down, you then relaunch it and it downloads everything you needed from scratch to run the software. So this is what the screen looks like in its basic form. You can customize this screen with floating palettes, one for sizes and one for options. I've got a small screen, so I'm working on it in this minimalistic way. If I go down to the sizes palette here, one of the bottom left buttons, click on that, go up and swap to the catalog item and swap to one of the new catalogs. Wall print packages is the one I'm going to work on. You'll then notice this sizes button shows you the new products in here. And I'm going to take you straight through the canvas float frame, go to the square, and there's our instructions or details saying the frame size, which is essentially the size that the frame is going to be, and the print's going to be smaller within that frame. And there is the price at the right hand end of the product. Okay, so we're going to click on that, and now you'll see that the graphic changes over to a live window which we can drag and drop our product in. So I'm going to do that, pick up an image and drop that in there, move it around to crop it. Incidentally, these images are easily changed over by clicking on the folder icon and browsing out to your computer to find the images that you want to order. So we've cropped it. I'm now going to have a look at some options. Under the options button we have a white or black frame. I'm going to choose black frame. Now I'm going to add it to order. I'm going to review the order, and this is where we can see the items across the top here with the total price. I'm going to put a reference in here. This is handy to add your own information as to what the order is of, to remind you if you've got multiple clients you're ordering for, you put your client number in there. I'm going to pick a freight service. I'm going to go with Express Post. Now you can pick it up from the lab, but there's your $15 Express Post charge. Tick your review. Yes, I've reviewed my order. That's just a little double check for us. And hit complete order. Send now via the internet. And credit card. Now if I click on that, I then need to enter my credit card details. Once the authorization has gone through for that credit card, the file will be FTP'd into the lab. Once it arrives at the lab, we'll color correct it, we'll print it on canvas, we'll spray it because we use an overspray with all of our canvas products, we'll stretch it on a stretcher frame and then frame it in the floating frame, and all that for the $150 with freight on top of that. Now there's one more thing I want to tell you and show you. If there's more you want to know about each product, you go to the info screen, which is the first screen that comes up in the catalog. This details those products, and if you click here for more details, this will tell you the kind of information that you might want to know that you could pass on to your clients or help you measure things. For example, what size the actual print is, what the nearest inch size is, how big is the mat, all information that's useful to help put the product together. Well, I hope you enjoy these new products. We think they're fantastic. We want to make your life easier by allowing you to order something that's finished and ready to hang on the wall. Good luck and have fun.